Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin de la Peña Nebres III. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the BICOL University flag.
President Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, sir, to the former presidents, Dr. Fay Lea Patria Mata Lauraya and Dr. Susana C. Cabredo, Madam, and to the BICOL University family, to the BU retirees, alumni, friends and guests, marahay na hapon po sa Gabos.
Marahay na hapon.
Everything still feels surreal. I still feel like I am in an extended dream. The truth is, the road to BU presidency began as a dream for me. I thank Dr. Noli for planting the seed of this dream as I watch him ably navigate the reins of leadership for BICOL University family. On the wings of faith and the vision of a dream, I was brought to this moment. Today, my dear BICOL University family, I stand before you humble and grateful, accepting the challenge of leading the resilient BICOL University family into a promising future. It is not an easy task. After all, it is easier to dream and harder to do. Definitely, there are giant shoes I have to fill in. There are giant footsteps I have to tread. But I have just the right amount of apprehension. It is enough to propel me to dream big for BICOL University and to do every possible good I can do. Together with you, my beloved BICOL University family, so that we can continue to sustain the gains, build more milestones, break barriers that hinder the full potential of BICOL University as the premier state university in the BICOL region. Join me as we work together to continue the legacies of the past and build on the vision of a University of Humanity, pamantasan para sa sangkatauhan, characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies. Guided by our abiding faith in divine providence, in ourselves, and in one another, we will build our dreams, journey towards our vision, and ensure an inclusive and sustainable BICOL University. Pinakamamahal kong mga kasama, kapamilya, dito sa BICOL University. Sikapin nating maabot ng may magandang hangarin ang isang panibago at makabagong bukas. Join me because the best always starts with you. Because BUSU, BICOL University is us. Diyos mabalos po.